In this video, we'll show you two methods to clean the rubber roller on your machine. All you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a clean cloth, some rubbing alcohol, and a box of tissues. You may also need your foot pedal box or a stack of books that are about the same height. For the first method, you'll start with your machine turned off and, folding it up like so, you'll rest it on a stack of books or on the pedal box. From there, you can open up and see the rubber roller under the idle roller up here. Now, what you can do here is grab your clean cloth and some rubbing alcohol, add a dab of it, and then clean the whole exposed surface that you can see in the roller's current position. Now, once you've done that, you'll need to turn the roller. In order to do this, the trick is to put your long fingers on the roller and push down while pulling back. If you do that a few times, you'll see that the bar will turn ever so slightly, giving you a new surface to clean. Then, again, you can repeat with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, clean the available footage. And that first time, I use my long finger to turn the bar. You can also use your thumbs, but again, the trick is to push down and pull towards you. Repeat this process until you've cleaned the entire surface of the bar, and then you successfully cleaned your rubber roller. For the second method, which is a little easier on the fingers, but more time consuming, you're going to want to set up your machine on its side like this. I personally recommend using the first method if you're able to do it. You can use this method if you're having trouble turning the roller with your fingers. Opening up the machine like this, you're going to want to see the exposed surface. Take your clean cloth and your alcohol, add a dab, and then clean the surface that you're able to reach with the roller in its current position. Now from there, you're going to want to plug in your machine. Once you've done that, turn off your machine and clean the newly exposed surface. Once you've done that, again, you can turn it off, wait a moment for it to shut down, and then turn it back on. You can repeat this process several times to clean as much of the surface area as possible. It may be difficult to clean it all because it rotates an inconsistent amount each time. So sometimes you may get presented with the same side you've already cleaned, sometimes you might get a new side. Don't obsess over getting the entire surface cleaned, just clean as much as possible if you have to use this method. Once you've cleaned the roller, you may find that now it actually grips too much, and it's able to pull the plastic into the machine and get it tangled around the roller. In order to mitigate this problem, you can use a tissue paper. If you pass the tissue paper lightly across the rubber roller, it deposits a little bit of lint on the roller, which stops it from being too strong. You don't want to overdo it with the pressure. You can see I just very lightly move it across once, and that honestly is enough. If you put too much pressure and you apply too much lint, you'll just end up with a dirty rubber roller again, and you'll have to clean it again. As you apply the tissue paper, feel free to use whatever method of rotating the rubber roller that worked best for you.